Hello guys, how are you? Hoping that you all are good. Let's start with today's video. In this video, we're gonna learn about programming language and binary number system. Programming language. Programming language is a set of instruction or statement which is used to create software program or basically used to communicate with the computer. So from the definition, it is not easy to understand it. So let me explain you what program language actually mean. Now consider a computer. It is basically an electronic device. Now you have to perform any task on your screen. Then you have to tell the computer that what you want to perform. That is, you should able to communicate with the computer. But the problem is that the computer only understands the language of 0 and 1, which is called as machine language. And here comes the concept of binary system, which we will be discussing afterward. Now it is very difficult to communicate with the computer in machine language. So there must be something which will be ease our job. So comes the programming language. If you wanna perform any task, we can write commands or instruction, that is program, which is much easier to understand. And then there is a program called as compiler, which converts that whatever program you have written, that is in the form of commands or statements, into a machine readable form, that is in the machine language, which is easily understood by computer. And hence with the help of programming language, you can easily communicate with your computer. To clear the concept, now consider an example. There is a grocery shop and the owner of the shop can only speak and understand English. If there is a customer who have to buy the grocery from the shop, either he must understand the English or shop owner must understand the customer's language. But the problem is that the customer can only speak in French and the owner can only understand English. So to overcome this problem, the shopkeeper asks a help from the person who knows both the language. That person is translator. He will translate the French language into English and accordingly the further process of buying will take place. So in this example, the translator is referred to compiler. He translates the code, that is programming language, here referred as French language, into machine language, that is English language in the example. Machine language is in the terms of 0 and 1. So from the example, I am sure that your thoughts about it had been cleared. There are many programming languages which are developed at different time and for the different purposes. So few of the examples of the programming language which are used in common are C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, Kotlin and etc. Now let us quickly look after the binary number system. Machine language consists of 0 and 1. That is, the computer only understands the 0 and 1. Therefore, the number system which contains 0 and 1 is called as binary number system. Here 1 indicates higher voltage and 0 indicates lower voltage. Every symbol or any letter which you write in the program, the compiler compiles it into its equivalent 0 and 1 in machine language. So before ending the video, let me share interesting fact with you. The first commercially available language was Fortran. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. It was developed in 1956 by a team led by John Backus at IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machine. Fortran was designed for the scientists and engineers for the project like designing of bridges, aeroplane structure, etc. So guys, that's all from the today's video. If you have any doubts or any suggestion regarding the video, do comment. If you like the video, hit the like button, and for more tech related video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.